It's time! Okay, guys, so I haven't unboxed any of my PR since the beginning of the year. So this is my 2026 so far from January, February, and now we're in March. So let's unbox it. Yeah. Now let's do this. Let's go for the biggest box. It's a big box. Ooh. Ah! Clean Club Skin. Wait, Clean Skin Club. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. All their towels, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. The way I love paper towels, guys, I only use paper towels when I clean my face. You know, if you have that skin acne comes, you know? So I'm so excited to try these out. Thank you so much. Armani. Armani. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? Is it a foundation? Yes! Oh my gosh, did I get my shade, guys? We're gonna do a testing. This is so pretty! Oh my gosh, turn it on. Turn it on. Oh shoot, the battery dead? Oh my god, just look a little lighter. I gotta test this out. We'll see. Thank you so much. So pretty! Ah! Who's next? Go! Go! L'Occitane! L'Occitane! Love me some L'Occitane. The hand cream, guys, at work. Okay. I think this is their new packaging. Oh, thank you so much, L'Occitane. This is going to be so good. I love this. Thank you so much, L'Occitane. 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 Tower 28. Y'all, I've been loving their blush, so I cannot wait to see what we got in here. Ugh. Oh, concealers. Oh my gosh. Yes, this looks so good. Good molecules. I've been hearing so much good stuff about this, especially like I have dark spots. I'm trying to get rid of. Ah, my gosh. Oh, Good Molecules is now at Shoppers Drug Mart. Finally in Canada. Okay, we got the lightweight daily moisturizer, the niacinamide brightening toner. Okay. The hyaluronic acid serum. Yes. Yerba Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. Okay, can't wait to try that. Ooh. I know what this is. It's gonna be their new. Is it their new? Is it their new? Is it their new mascara? Ooh, I love this outfit. You. Oh. And their liquid retractable liners. Oh, if you don't know, I love their liners. Oh my gosh, is this an eyeliner? This must be eyeliner because, you know, it makes sense. You know, the mascara, the eyeliners. Oh my gosh, I never had a liner like this. Okay, we need to do like separate like unboxings, like for real. Like separate try-on videos. Cause I'm very intrigued. Urban Decay, this is so lit. I love this. Ooh! What is this? Is this L'Oreal? Is this L'Oreal? You're worth it. Ooh, I hear this box has been through it. Ah! Oh, this is their hydrating. Oh my gosh, it done all fell out of this, guys. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, it got Candy King. It's hearts. It's probably from Valentine's Day, guys. It smells so good. But this is their lip stains, and they done all got up in here. My bad, guys. But this is their new lip tints, and I think it like comes like a lip gloss. It comes out like a lip gloss. Ooh, can't wait to test and try these out. Oh, there we go. This is so nice. Retinoids, new retinoids. Oh my gosh, yes. Guys, when I tell you, after Tret did what it did to my skin, making it so damn sensitive, I use like retinoids now. Like, you know, over-the-counter retinoids. I cannot wait. Thank you, Inky. YSL. One thing about YSL, like I said before, their packaging, elite. Okay, let's see what's in here. All from mascara, guys. YSL don't play. I cannot wait, guys. When I tell you, I love the Lash Clash. So I cannot wait to try this. Some products from Milk. They're jelly tubes, but it's in highlighter. Oh my gosh, the cooling water jelly shimmer gels. We got all these nice, cute colors. Ooh, cannot wait to try these out. Thank you so much, Milk. Colin GM. Yes. Pretty. Ooh. Tear it up. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. New advanced serum. Say goodbye to unwanted redness. Yes. For sensitive skin. Yes. I love this. I love products that are like, you know, aimed for sensitivity. Because especially if you're using actives all the time, you just want something that's just going to be like nice and like doesn't cause irritations or anything. So I cannot wait to try this. COSRX. I love me some Korean skincare. Ooh! Ow! This right here, the Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizer from COSRX, so good. I literally, my sister gave it to me from her PR because my skin was just feeling so sensitive and everything like that. And I didn't want anything with niacinamide in it because my sunscreen has niacinamide. So many things have that. So I just wanted something like with nothing. This has been so good on my skin. Love it. And then this is their what? Hyaluronic acid, amino acids. Ooh, I need to try this with it. Thank you so much, COSRX. Vanessa Marks. I think I know what this is. Oh my gosh, anything Vanessa Myers, I'm like, yes! Hallelujah, yummy skin. Vanessa, the queen of base of skin, period. The Yummy Skin Blurring Liquid, oh, what is this? Liquid Blurring Balm Spray. Oh, we got the mini version. I love the full, I have the full size. She's so good. I have to do a video using all her prep and prime stuff. And the new cream, yes! The Booster Barrier Cream. What is it called? 1010 Barrier Boost. And it has hyaluronic acid, yes. Visibly plumps, hydrates, helps skin appear smoother. Prep skin from makeup, we using this. My next event I am going to be using this and testing this out. The Blurring Balm. The Blurring Balm. I love this. I love this. She made me become a believer to primer again. Danessa? Thank you, babes. Espoir. How do you say this? Espoir? Espoir? Guys, this is Korean makeup. Dear Manasa, we are excited to send you an Espoir PR box to experience our best-selling products. Yes! I'm not new to Korean skincare, but Korean makeup, guys, I'm excited. I'm very excited. They sent me some shades to try out. Yes. So we are definitely going to try out their Velvet Cushion foundation and see while going with that. What else is here? We got their laminating gel for the eyebrows and I think eyebrow pencil as well. So we're going to try these out. Like we got so many videos we have to actually do to try these out. Hold me accountable. I got this the other day. I kind of just like got like happy and started opening it because I thought it was from Caudalie. How do you say it? Caudalie. Into me. Yes! Oh my gosh, we got some products in here. Rip this out. Yes. Okay, we got their eye cream for dark circles. What else we got here? Their serum. What is it called? What serum is this? Their Intense Serum. Instant Tightening, Intense Hydration. Ooh. And then we got their cream. Their Rich Cream. Ooh. I've never tried this, so I'm so excited. This looks so pretty. Thank you so much, Caudalie. La Roche-Posay. What do we got here? Hyaluronic acid B5 cream we have here. And then the serum. And then, of course, the sunscreen. Can't forget a sunscreen. Yeah. Yes, Grace and Stella. The moisturizing eye mask. Yeah! Look at these bags, girl. Look at these bags. I need. Okay? What do we got here? We got the Restoring Eye Roller. Yes! And then Kiss Me Softly Lip Mask. Love. And Restoring Eye Balm. Yes! Thank you so much, Grace and Stella. And 1 milk, 2 sugars. Thank ya. Ooh, Lancome. So pretty. This box is so pretty. Oof. Wow. You won't need these anymore. What is it? Eyelash curler razor. What the heck is that? What do I do? This is snug. Oh, mascara. Oh, with the mirror, guys. These do not play. These mascara packages, they don't play. Keep unboxing more inside. So you got their mascara, the hottest tool you to get that perfect curl. This is a beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is mascara. Oh my gosh. What else is in here though? There's perfume in here. What the heck? They did not give me perfume in this too. Thank you so much, like. Oh my gosh. With this, my eyeshadow and Celestial. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Ah! Thank God y'all told me to keep unboxing this beautiful mascara too. Thank you so much, Lancome. This is so beautiful. I'm keeping this box too. This is beautiful. Oh my God, Lancome. You guys did that. You did that. I cannot wait. This is so pretty. Vichy, oh, this is heavy. Girl. Vichy, what you got in here? Vichy times better than me. Oh, damn. What do we got in here? Oh, this is heavy. Girl. What we got that? Oh my, you know what? Me and my younger sister were talking about scalp health. So the fact that there is a dandruff prone and itchy scalp. What is this? Shampoo? And then scalp serum. Yes. Because, you know, instead of oiling your scalp, you actually need a serum. So we're talking about this. I know Drew's about to use all my stuff. The sunscreen. Yes. What else we got here? Yes. The Mineral 89 cream. I love this. Oh, I love the deodorant. And then it's collabing with Better Me as well. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Before we get to that, their vitamin C serum. Oh my gosh, I gotta put this down. Okay. We got some weight bands in here by Better Me. Okay, we gotta stay fit up in here. Holding that, I was just like, what? How much pounds is this? 2 pounds total. With the other stuff, guys. This is about like probably like 10 pounds. Okay, maybe like 5. And then Better Me Pilates loop band. Yeah. I needed this, guys, because I have not been in the gym since December. CeraVe, vitamin C. You know, I've been wanting an eye cream so bad from CeraVe. I cannot wait till. I think I saw this even at Costco. Did I? So this is their new vitamin C eye cream. Can't wait to use this. And their facial moisturizing lotion with SPF 50. CeraVe. Their Pureology professional color care. And what is it? Hair perfume. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so nice. Y'all, it came in this bag, but it done fell out. It done came out of that. But this is so cute. Why is you guys always have the cutest ones. This is so cute. It's like canned goods. Canned YSL goods. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it opens just like this. Got the lip gloss. It just looks so good. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. And we got a clear. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. And this, I love it. I love it already. I've already worn these lip glosses. They're so nice. So I'm so excited for that. Canteen, canned goods. You hear that? Oh my gosh. Is this like the glaze? What are these? Yes. The Love Shine. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Ah! Guys, I love me these Love Shines. And the thing is, it looks pigmented like that, but when you swatch it, it's going to be like so nice and like light. Oh, what's in this? Lip gloss. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ah, Lord. Damn, that one stuck in. Lord have mercy. This one got sparkles. The sparkles? Ooh. I don't know why I'm whispering like this. The pink one. Ooh, I want to swatch it. See if it shows on my skin tone. Oh my gosh, it's like a nice, like, oh, so pretty. It's like a nice shimmer. It shows up just as a shimmer for me. Ooh. This one's like a nice, like, ooh. Look at that. That's going to be nice on me. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is going to be nice. Oh, yes. This is going to be beautiful on my skin tone. So pretty. Love this. I already know the Cerave. Yes. Faves right here. Not wait. I have not tried. This is new. Oh, intensive moisturizing lotion. I cannot wait to try this. This is new. I can't wait to try this. And these are my favorite, guys. I know these are my favorite. Like, I tried and true. I love this watch, especially sensitive skin. If you're using lots of active, this is actually a water-based. Oh, a water-based cleanser. Okay, it's not an actual like oil cleanser, but it's so good and it's water-based. And this right here, my jam. I have to find my other one. I don't want to open this one until I find my other one. I already have her around my lips and around my nose right here. And I feel like I'm getting sick, so. But yeah, that's it for my PR unboxing. I got all these boxes to clean up, guys. And make sure you be posting your videos. Use this as inspiration to know that just keep posting, because I was not getting PR like this before. I was not getting PR like this a year ago. Literally. It started happening in the most recent year. Literally. So keep posting. God is good. So I'm going to catch you in the next one.